Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually use Chatgpt on your mobile device, either an iOS device or an Android device. They all work the same way. So basically all you want to do is to go to your search engine, either Google, Chrome, whatever search engine you're using. So I'm going to open my Safari. If it's an Android device you're making use of, just go to your Chrome or your Google, and then you want to input chat.openai.com, and then immediately you enter this. All you want to do, you can select the one with the stroke chat just to go directly to the site, and then you want to select on this, and then it takes you to the site, and all you want to do is to click on this. Now immediately you click on this, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. If you're a beginner or you're new to ChatGPT, all you want to do is to sign up. And then while signing up, you can just basically add your Google account. If you have a Google account, better still, I believe everyone should have a Google account, so you can just link it with your Google account. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. I'm going to select my Google account. I'm going to input my password, and then next. So as you can see guys, I am inside the Chatgpt. So basically guys, it's that simple. All you want to do is to input chat.openai.com, and then you want to register. While registering, you can just link in your Facebook or your Google account, and you're basically good to go. And now you can enjoy Chatgpt. You can just ask whatever question, or you can just say hi. So basically with Chatgpt, you can just ask it any question you like to understand, or anything you're having issues with that you need better understanding on, probably a topic in school or a topic in work or something you're just confused about. So you can just come here to chat.openai.com and then pour out your questions, and Chatgpt would provide you with a suitable answer. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and drop a like on today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.